piano music. Why playing the piano music is difficult? One of the reasons is we look at the sheet music, we look at the keyboard. So we see two directions. At the same time, when you see the sheet music, you see both hands, some notes are connected together. So we started having a training to memorize the position of the keyboard. We use the exercise pieces by Barnum. Here is what we do. So try to memorize the basic movement, inversion, scales. Those really helps you when you play the music because you understand the basic movement already. Enjoy the music. Thank you.